Hey, Seth David here, and I'm getting ready for scaling new heights. Took off a little early. It's Thursday. Went for a walk. I'm here in beautiful Burbank, the park right near my house. And like I said, I'm getting ready. I'm excited because Sunday evening I'm going to be hanging out at the Q-Box booth, meeting people. And I've also learned they're going to be giving away a free lily pads. I mean, iPads. They're giving away iPads. At least one, maybe more than one. I'm not sure. I forgot to ask. But anyway, kidding aside, I'm excited. I can't wait to be there. I've never been there before. I'm never going to be there again. No, I'm kidding. But I'm excited to be there. I'm excited to go. I'm excited to see everyone that I haven't seen, and meet some people that I've never met. And I've done what I always do. I've set up a page on my website, which you can find at new.nerdenterprises.com/SNH, like Scaling New Heights, dash 2019. Should be easy to follow and remember, right? There's actually two forms you can fill out. The first one you'll find has to do with, actually, let's go into the park. The first one you'll find has to do with just getting the resources that I'm going to send out after the sessions, about the sessions. And, it's going to put you on an email list where I'm going to send out a series of emails with more tips and tricks on G Suite, which is mainly what I'm presenting about. And also just to stay in touch, especially for people who I haven't met before, who I'm not always in touch with. Makes it easy. Instead of handing out cards and then having a stack of cards to go home with, and now you got to start scanning them and getting them into your CRM and then cleaning the data. What a mess. It's much easier if I just have you enter it for 2 seconds and then it goes, right? It flows where I need it to. In fact, I'm going to be talking a little bit about that in my sessions, because we're going to be talking about how to use Zapier. How I'm going to use Zapier to take the information you enter in my forms and route it where I want it to go. So there's that. Further down the page, you'll see another form, which is to be reminded to go meet me at the Q-Box booth on Sunday night. So if that's something you want to make sure you remember to do, you fill out the form. About an hour before, you'll get an email saying, hey, go head over to the Q-Box booth because I'm going to be there, right? So that's it. I'm excited. Remember, free lily pads or iPads or some kind of pad when you come over to my pad, which is going to be at the Q-Box booth where I'm going to be hanging out on Sunday night. So looking forward to seeing everybody. Can't wait to see some other people's sessions. I can't wait for all of you to come and see what I've got in store for you. I've put in a lot of time and work, created these very detailed e-documents with screenshots and all kinds of other things. Probably put more effort into these sessions than I have in any session I've ever done before. Anyway, that's enough out of me. I'm going to sign off and finish my little walk here. And like I said, I can't wait to see all of you, those of you who are going to Scaling New Heights. And as always, if you want me for anything, I'm pretty easy to find. So find me, reach out to me, say hi, let me know what's going on in your world. Let me know if I can help you with anything. Let me know if you can help me with something. That's it. I'll talk to you all soon.